Hey everyone, today we are diving into a fabulous world of Betty Boop, focusing on her iconic red dress and the charm it brings to nail art. So let's get right into it. We already prepped our nails and painted the nail nude to fit Betty Boop's stunning dress. So if you don't know how I sketch my videos, I will link those videos in my description box down below. Using a fine nail art brush I got from Planet Nails, we're gonna paint every sketched area with a gel polish that I chose. The vibe is like Valentine's vibe, but the inspo I got it from Pinterest. So here is the inspo. So this polish, I'm gonna use it for the earrings, for the bangles on the hand. So it's not like exactly the color of the inspo, but I just fell in love with it. So I just wanted to try it, and then yeah, it's okay, I guess. the skin tone, I decided to use the same color of the base. So I don't know how you feel about this. Just comment down below and tell me about the skin color. How is it like? But it's okay, I guess. And for outlining, I used a black liner gel from uh, Planet Nails. It works really well. And the liner brush as well, I got them from Planet Nails. So as you can see there, I changed the sizes. Somewhere I was using a long liner brush. Somewhere I was using a shorter one. So just use the one you feel comfortable using. Like if you like you can control it on that section, just use it. All right. And we'll create playful red hearts that capture the essence of Betty's style. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Each heart add corrector. And once everything is dry, seal it all in with a top coat. This is not only to protect your masterpiece, but enhances the shine. And there you have it, Betty Boop inspired red heart nail art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative nail art. Bye bye.